this tool. You don't need any other tool. You just need Claude, because Claude is actually updated and most likely is going to give you like 92% of the accurate information, because it's going to do a deep research. Now, for the person who really wants to know how to create a digital product, first of all, you need to open up an account, a Claude account, a Claude AI account with your Gmail. It's so easy. The second thing, we ought to come here called the new chat. You can actually put it in projects, because this is a project you're working on. And once you're doing that, you can come here and then I'll give you a prompt on how you prompt it so that it can generate you that digital product. My prompt, I have those prompts, so you'll see me pasting. So this is the first prompt you will write. You are my digital product coach and creative assistant. I am learning how to create digital product to sell online using Claude AI. My goal is, now describe your goal. If it's to create an ebook, template, whatever, and the niche that you want to venture. So please guide me step by step by asking me questions when you need more information. Be specific, practical, and give me. So in case you want this prompt, I'll send it to you. And so you paste it. And after you've pasted it, it will go further and now ask you questions. This prompt, so I'm just pasting faster for you. Now you'll paste this prompt, and in case you want this prompt, I will send it to you. So I want to create a digital product to sell online, but I'm not sure what to make based on my skills, because it has already asked you the questions. And you have mentioned all this. You can ask it to suggest 5 digital products that I could create with this one. And for each idea, tell me what the product is, who would buy it, and how long it will take to create. Paste. Now, after you have answered what it has asked you, you will write this other prompt. I want to create the idea that you have and the one that it has helped you to know your target audience. And before I build, help me validate this idea. Now, give me 3 signs this product has demand, 5 questions I should ask potential buyers to buy, and the top 3 competing products that are already selling and what I can do different to stand out. Now, this is the third step that you will take. Create a complete ready to sell whatever that you're selling based on what you have answered from those questions using those prompts about now the topic and the target. And then the product should have number. You specify the number, you include the compelling title, an introduction hook, and all these other things that are written there. And then you send. Stand out. Now, these are the prompts that you write. I have created the product type about this. Help me make it look professional and ready to sell. Give me a suggestion layout and all these things. To format it using Canva or Google Docs, the font and everything, and then you send. Then Claude will do its thing. You write the sales on how you're going to sell this product to either the social media platforms or the platforms that I'm going to mention to you that you can start with for free. Now, this is the prompt you'll write. In this one, I'm just guiding you with the prompts that I use to create those ebooks. So this is the prompt that I use. Write a high converting sell copy for my product, and here are the details. Now you give it the product name, describe what it is, the target, the main problem it's solving, and the 3 listing benefits. Then you tell it to write a 3-sentence for now. These are the places where I personally post my products: Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip. A long sales page describing whatever for that word, and the 5 bulletin and a short fact. You like questions that buyers may ask. Then you click send, and Claude will always do its thing. Now we want to actually tell Claude to give us the best price for the product that we are selling online. And this is the prompt that you will use. This one, help me decide how to price my digital product. My product is this one. It helps these people, and the main benefit is this. Now tell me what price range is typically for this type of product. A recommendation. and everything that I've written here in this prompt, and then you send, and Claude will guide you on how to price the product and how you're gonna market. So I'll paste my prompt, create a simple marketing plan for my digital product. You name the product, where are you selling it on, which platform. It can be Gumroad, it can be Payhip, it can be Paystack, it can be so many things, Instagram, YouTube. And I currently have, you mention whatever you say. If you have a YouTube channel, you have Instagram, then give me a 7-day launch plan with daily actions, 5 social media post ideas that I can use to promote this, and a short email that I can send to friends and contacts, 3 places online where my target audience hang out, and free marketing strategies that I can use with zero budget. And Cloud will actually tell you everything that you need to follow. Fine. And you want to scale it further in the many days and many months to come, you can use this prompt now for your future reference. This one, you tell it how the first product is actually doing, how you want it to grow, how you want to build a product around that topic. Now, if you want to generate like 3 related products on the same niche, according to how you've interacted with Cloud, now it's gonna like guide you on how to do it now further in the future concerning the one product that you see and you know it's gonna sell. So this is the prompt that you're going to paste, and it goes like this. My first digital project is describing it. You describe what it is. Now I want to grow. Help me build a product suitable around this topic. Give me 3 relatable products that I could create next. Lower price, same price, or higher price, whichever price that you had already been told by Cloud to sell it on, and a simple content plan that keeps attracting buyers each week. How to turn one product into multiple formats, that is ebooks, into checklists, templates, and mini courses. How to use customer feedback to improve and expand my product, and a 30-day roadmap to go from one product to a small digital product business. Then you click this one, and Cloud will guide you on what to do. So I hope this video has really educated you on what you need to do using only prompts and Cloud. You don't need to actually be an expert. You can use this Cloud and these prompts, and just interact with them to just familiarize yourself and then become good at it. But if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let's do business. Let's do business right now that we have AI around us.